Hello everyone. So basically today I will discuss about the file system and how you can explore the file in Ubuntu. So our first topic is terminal. So basically terminal is the uh, brain uh, of the Ubuntu operating system, or you can say Linux operating system. In any Linux operating system uh, you can say the similar things in Windows operating system is the command prompt CMD or PowerShell. So this is the terminal. You can find it by clicking the menu. uh, we will use it frequently, so better just put it in your favorite list. So it is added in our favorite. So what terminal does is that you can just write down your command, whatever command it is, in here, uh, and press enter, then the command will execute. So there is the terminal, short description of terminal. Now directory means the folder. The fancy name for Linux is uh, directory for folders. In Linux it is called the directory, actually, nothing but that. Okay, now home directory means like in our Windows operating system, you can see when you click this PC icon, just like the Windows Explorer. Here you can find the uh, home button. uh, just like in Windows operating system, Ubuntu has also the home directory. And when you open the terminal, it automatically opens in the home directory. Like if I press just ls and enter, you can see what is in the directory. There are desktop, document, downloads, and other folders. And if I just go to the home directory, sorry, here it is. If I double click on the home directory, you can see these files. Okay, these files. So terminal automatically opens in the home directory. And if you just get confused where your terminal is now, just uh, type the command pwd and enter, hit enter. Then you can see the current directory. It is home imon, as the username is imon. You can also see the username here. Okay, it will print the home directory. So ls command means printing the files or folders that is inside the directory, and pwd prints the directory path. Then the command is ls/l. Now ls/l, let me just show you ls/l. It just show you a what can I say, synaptic of the all the files and folders of the directory. So here it just show me that desktop was modified at 402, documents was last modified in 218 in September to September 3 dates. Okay, so we have just learned about ls command, pwd command, and ls/l command. Now the last command is ls-a. Okay, let me just clear it. Okay, now in which folder I am in, which directory I am in, pwd. So I am in home directory. So this is the home directory. And if I just press ls, what does it uh, do? What does it do? It just show me all the folders in the directory. But you can see it just give me 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 folders. So basically this is home directory, this is also home directory. So the numbers of this directory is 9. And in here you can see if I just select all, 12 folders selected and 4 other items selected. Here you can see 12 folders selected. So where are the other folder? Why it is not shown in the terminal? It should be shown. Okay, so basically it doesn't show you because the other folders are hidden folders. So if you just give the command ls-a, it will show you all the folders including the hidden folders. The hidden folders and file will be shown with a dot prefix. You can say dot profile, dot local, dot config, just like shown in the home directory. And in by default in the Linux system, the files are hidden files are not shown. So you can just go here and uncheck or check it to show or hide the hidden files or folders. In terminal, you just have to give the command ls-a. So these are some common command to explore the file system. And then the change directory command comes. So let me just clear it. Okay, cd means change the directory. That means I want to go from one directory to another. So currently I am in home directory, as you can see. Now suppose uh, let me just know how many directories are here. So these are the other folders of directory inside the home directory. Now if I want to go to the download folders, so in graphics user interface you just double click here and you can go to that directory downloads. But in terminal, what you do is you just give the command cd, means change the directory, and then press downloads. Now see, it means what it said you that no such file or directory. So Linux is obviously case sensitive, so the folder name should be given accurately. So the accurate name will be cd downloads don, and just press the tab downloads, and it will automatically uh, fill up the other letters for you. Let me show you on once more. cd down, and just pressing tab, and it will do the jobs downloads. Then okay. Now what you see are that a title. Let me just check the name. Yes, the title symbol, then slash downloads. So basically that title symbol means you are in home directory, slash means there is another folder or directory, means download, and you are now here. uh, to be sure, just type pwd, and you can see I am in home. My home directory means my username is Imon. Just like the Windows, you can check it. You can just go to the local drive C users, and you can see there are various users here, and each user will have their own home directory, right, in Windows. So just like Windows, Linux has the same system. So my username by which I am logged in the Linux system is Imon. So that's why it is just printing that I am in home directory inside the username Imon, then downloads. Okay, so inside downloads I can see there are three folders. Okay, yeah, I know this file is marked as red. Let's not be concerned about that at first. So there are three files, and let me just check if there are any hidden files or folder. Okay, you can see there are no hidden file inside the folder. Okay, so our next concern is, okay, now uh, let's just make a folder inside that downloads. Okay, so in graphics user interface, what you do, you just go inside the download and right click the mouse button, then just new folder. uh, let's just name it Imon 2. Okay, so this is the folder Imon 2. Let me just check the folder is updated in the terminal or not. So just pressing the command ls and enter, you can see Imon 2 has been updated. So if I want to go to the Imon 2, what do? I just type Imon cd Imon im and press tab, then yes, I can go there. Now suppose I want to just go back to the download directory again. So what do? Cd dot dot and press enter. Okay, now you see I am again back to the downloads directory. So let me just clear it. So where am I? I am in download directory, and suppose I want to make a folder inside the download directory. Now currently I have three files and one folder. I just want to make another folder in the download directory by using the terminal. So what I do, mkdir make directory, and let's just name it Imon underscore 1. Okay, you can see the folder is created, and you can also see it in the terminal that Imon 1 Imon 2. Now uh, let me just type Imon cd im just im and press tab. What happened, if I am not sure that it captures the desktop audio or not, just it will give you a warning that okay, you have tabbed the Imon, but there are two name Imon 1 Imon 2, two similarities actually. So where you want to go, if I just press 1 and enter, then I can explore the emon1 folder. And again, if I just press the IM tab thing, it will give me another warning. And then if I press 2, I can go to the emon2 folder. Now let me show you another thing. Where I am now in a download directory. You can see also it in here. So what I want to do is make another directory inside the download directory. So mkdir for that command, and let it just name as emon 3. Here I am just typed emon space 3, and here it was typed as emon underscore 2 or underscore 1. Okay. So now if I press enter, there are folders, emon and 3. So you cannot just make folders with just space. Suppose I want to make a folder name emon 3. What should I do? Let me just try it. Emon make directory emon, and just then type emon 3. What does it do now? It will create a folder emon space 3. Okay. Here you can see it here. Okay. uh, you can also see that there is a space here. If I just skip, there should be a space. Okay. Now suppose I want to access this emon3 directory. So cd I just pressing tab, and it just give me a beep, and then space 3, uh, enter. Now you can see that too many arguments. Okay, so basically let me just show you another thing. Let me just delete the 3 and emon folder. Okay, I have deleted that 2 folder, just simply selecting and pressing the delete button in my keyboard. Okay, now keep the command again, cd emon space 3, pressing enter. So what does it means that there are too many arguments. It means I cannot change my directory to emon and 3 simultaneously. Okay, what just it recommended that I cannot go to the folder simultaneously, as it reads that I want to change my directory to emon and 3 at a time. Though I wanted to navigate to just emon space 3 folder, but it cannot read like that. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to give the folder name inside the quotation mark, and then enter. Then I can go to the emon3 folder. So please be serious that whenever you just make a directory or folder inside your Linux system, just try to put this underscore thing, okay, and not a space, because whenever you just type the commands, it will hinder your, and you may lose your times just doing that underscore, or sorry, doing that quotation mark or something. It's a good practice actually. I also uh, maintains that habit to just giving the underscore thing. Okay, so what does cd means? I have shown you that cd changes the directories, and then cd dot dot means you just go back to the previous directory. And suppose I am now in emon3 directory, and also I let me just clear it. Okay, let's just click the folder name pranto in the desktop, and then another. Okay, so if I want to open the terminal in this directory, the directory is home, inside home desktop pranto 2. So just right click the mouse button and open in terminal. So the folder is opened in the terminal. The folder means this folder actually. So let me just clean it. Okay, so suppose I want to go back to the home directory. What would you do? You just you can type just cd dot dot cd. Yeah, just let me check. Okay, if the 4 dot dot work or not. But no, the 4 dot won't work. You can only press 2 dots, and not 4 1. Okay, so again. So now where I am, just printing it. So now I am in home directory. But what would you do if you want to just go back to the home directory by just once, by pressing command once? So what you do is that, let me just go back to that directory, desktop pranto 2 pranto 3, and pressing the command cd. uh, okay, the tdl symbol should be copied because my keyboard button on the tdl symbol is not working. I don't know why. Okay, cd paste tdl, done. So by pressing just cd and tdl, wherever the directory you are in, you can just go back to the home directory. Also you can just press cd home emon. Okay, you can go to the home directory. So let me just show you once more. So what you do is cd home / emon, as my username is emon. So thus you can just go to the home directory. So now there is an special command free. uh, it's personal, my personal favorite. So what it does is that it just show you the folder structure. uh, Let me just show you. Okay, tree doesn't come default by default in your operating system, so you just need to install it, just like you install another apps in your windows operating system or android. So let just not be serious about this command now. Let's just do it what I am doing. Just type sudo apt install tree. So okay, now it will ask me the password. What it means that let me just explain it a little bit. Okay, so sudo means I am uh, I am just giving it the administrator permission, because I am installing an app just like Windows. Let me just show you. Okay, just let me show you. So okay, there is a software. So if I double click it, what it does is that it asks me the permission. Do you allow this app to make changes to your device? So it is just asking the what should I say, user permission. So sudo does the same. And apt is a repository, or you can say it as a store, just like Android store or something. So what I am saying is that sudo apt, you just have to install what tree. Okay, I will install the tree, but please first confirm that it is you or the administrator. So what I need to do is that I just have to give the password. Now look carefully, I am pressing the password. Yeah, I have pressed my password, but it didn't show you anything. uh, Ubuntu does not, Ubuntu or any Linux, I don't know about all the distros, but uh, as many distros I have tried, nobody just show you the star asterisk or another notation. You just type your password and press enter. Okay, done. It will just install the tree software inside your system. So you can see that trees have installed in your system. So let me just clear the terminal. Now what I want to do is that I want where I am now. So I am now in home directory. So what I want to know is that how many folders in that home directory, and those folders carries how many subfolders or files. So what I do is that I will just press tree, and it just show me the folder structure of that home directory. Let me just decode it a little bit. It just to give me a good vibe about that file or folder. Whenever I am working with the OpenFOAM, it just give me a good vibe. Where is that folder or something, rather than just browsing folder by folder. Okay, so it's a good uh, command to know. So this is the home directory line, and you can see the first directory in the home is desktop. Uh, you can compare it uh, by seeing this graphics user interface. So inside that desktop, there will be Pranto, Pranto 2, Pranto 3, and also a untitled document on. So if I click desktop, I can see Pranto and untitled document 1. So here it is, Pranto, untitled document 1. Now if I click Pranto again, I can see Pranto 2, Pranto 3. Okay. So now if I just go back to the home directory, there should be documents, and document doesn't have any subfolders. So if I go to the document, it doesn't carry any subfolders or file. If I go to the downloads, I can see there will be 3 files, and even 1 2 3 folders. Music won't carry anything. You can just check through the files or folders. Okay, let not just go through each and every folders. So that was the tree command. Okay, so a very important note was that uh, if you create a folder, like I said, don't just name a folder like imon space 1 2 or 3. Just use underscore. Okay, you can say the I have shown you the results or something. So suppose this part is important. Okay, listen carefully. Suppose I have a file or folder. Okay, now can I read the folder? Can I write the folder? Can I execute the folder? You just need to know. Okay, just like if I go to the local directory program 86, let me just copy a file, uh, just like this PDF file. I just want to copy. Oh, this is the Windows user interface. If you're just wondering or something, I'll copy the PDF and we'll try to paste it inside the local disk program 86. Let me just paste it. What it just said is that access denied. What it means that I doesn't have the permission to write inside that program files 86. So what does it means? I don't have the uh, permission to write. Now if I just continue it, it will do the job, but initially I didn't have the permission. Okay, so in Ubuntu operating system, the thing is same. So let me just clear it. Okay, and go back to the downloads. Okay, let me just delete these three folders. Okay, now I want to open this folder in the terminal. Now let me just pressing ls. Okay, now I have three folders, sorry, three files. One is FreeCAD apps.apps, another one is also apps, and another one is also another one is just .deb, but it just show it in red. So let me just check if the I have the read or write or execute uh, permission to this specific file or not. To know so, you have two options actually. You can use the command stat, then file name, or ls hyphen l, then file name. So I will just use the first one, ls hyphen l, then file name. Okay, the file name is not like file name or something. You just have to give the own file, and you can see that this typing this can be uh, very tedious job or something. So what I do, I will just press tab and press enter. So you can see uh, actually you have to look at these options here, hyphen rw hyphen rw hyphen r uh, double double hyphen. So this is the encrypted message of knowing the permissions. What it means is that please be careful in this slides, it's important. So okay, uh, just like that I give the command lsl, then Google Chrome, then it just show it in this. Oh, I have changed the permission in this operating system. So by the time I just took the snapshot, I changed the permission. So let me just be let it let me be explain the things in the slide. Okay, so it just show me hyphen rw xr hyphen xr hyphen x, and there are another things or something. So I used ChatGPT to explain it more uh, good way or something. So what you have to just be uh, specific about this part. Okay, let's not talk about this part now. So what does that first hyphen means? It means irregular file. That means if the first character is hyphen, then it indicates irregular file. There can be D, L, B, or C. Here D means directory. If this was a D, then it should be a directory. Let me just show you. Okay, uh, so let's just keep it aside and open Pranto. Okay, now if I open the terminal here and want to know if this folder is writable or not, or knowing the permissions, so what I have to give is ls hyphen l and the file folder name, so pr, and enter. Okay, you can see the first character is D, it means the directory, rather than here it is hyphen. So what I was trying to say, there can be this four symbol or the hyphen, what the means are written in here. So first hyphen means it's a regular file. Okay. Then the other things, rwxr hyphen xr hyphen x. So here I have just color coded it to um, so that you can understand it more clearly. Here the first three letter means the permission to the owner. Okay. So if I we just forget the hyphen, the first hyphen here, first hyphen, it means the file type, and then just forget the folder. Then the adjacent three uh, letter will be the permission that has been given to the owner. Then the letter 3 indicates the permission given to a group, and the other 3 will indicate the permission given to others. So actually let me show you one thing. In Windows operating system, whenever you go to the user, there are actually two kinds of user here. Okay, this is the owner Imon, and there will be a public user, and there can be another user or something. So here the first three letters, if I just number it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 to 3 means the permission given to the owner, 4 to 6 is the permission given to the group, and 7 to 9 indicates the permission given to others user. So uh, what R means is read permission. If it indicates R, then owner has reading permission. If it is W, W means the write permission. If owner has W, then it means owner has the write permission, and X means execute permission. So owner has the execute permission. Okay. So owner has the owner can read the file, write the file, and execute the file. Google Chrome stable current underscore md64.dip. This file can be read, write, or execute by the owner. But what about group? There are group can write the file. Okay, the file can be write by group. Now I am interacting as a user, okay, or owner. I am acting as the owner. Why? You can see the name Imon. My username is Imon. I am the owner. So I can read, write, or execute the file. What about group? Group can write or execute, but it cannot. Sorry, group can read or execute the file, but cannot write. The third, the middle column means the writing permission, and you can say there is a hyphen. Okay, this hyphen and this hyphen are totally different. This hyphen means the types, and this hyphen means no permission, and at the middle no permission means no write permission. Okay, and other has also the same. Others user can read or execute but cannot write the uh, file. Okay, so this is important actually. Whenever you want to run the .sh script or something, you just need to know if you have the right to execute or uh, read or write the file or folder. So in short, if I just give the command ls -l and the file them, it just give me this output. And here first hyphen means what? This is a regular file and not a directory or other things. And the rwx means, so 1, 2, 3. Rwx means what? The owner Imon L can read, write, or execute the file. Here the username is Imon L. Oh, okay, this was taken from the Windows subsystem. So Imon L can read, write, and execute. And the group, here is another user Imon L. This interacts as a group. It can read or execute but cannot write. And others, these numbers means others. He can read or execute but not write the folder, sorry, write the file. So if we just take an example. So here is the file. Let me just show you. ls Google Chrome stable. So what I need to do is ls l then g and tab. Okay, what it gives is that I am the owner. Currently I can read and write but no execute it. I cannot execute the file. Then there I am the owner. here please keep in mind that the slide had been prepared with another operating system in my Windows subsystem, and this is the virtual machine. So please keep it in mind that this system has a username as Emon L, and this system has a username as Emon L, Emon just Emon. Okay, so the user can read write but cannot execute it. So if I want to execute the uh, file, I cannot do so because I don't have the permission. Then the group Emon, it can also read write but cannot execute it, and then other groups, uh, it has the permission only read the file. Okay, so I guess that's it.